Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build the perfect Mori Kei outfits from scratch in DTI. So if you love soft layers with vintage charms and whimsical cottagecore energy, this outfit tutorial is for you. Let's just get started. So first, for the hair, I'm using these three hairs, but for this one, I'm only used the bangs. Then color it brown like this. And now let's make the outfit. So first I'm going to put on this hat from the men's sections and color it using these patterns in here. And for the third preview, I'm going to use the light brown color like this. And now let's grab this long sleeves and I'm going to use these patterns. And next, this socks in here, just make the color white. Okay, and for the shoe, I'm going to wear this Mary Jane shoes and I'm going to use this patterns for the shoe. Now let's make the outfits. So first I'm going to go in here in a fitting room for the top, combine it with this top from the wig set, use the same patterns. Oops, I accidentally deleted from favorite list. Okay, this one. And this closer, I'm going to just go with black. And next for the bottom, I'm going to use this skirt from the wig set and use these patterns for the skirt. For the lace, you can just go with a dark brown just like this. I'm going to also grab this star bag, wiggle it into cross body. For the first review, I'm going to use the pattern the same with the hat. And the second one, let's go with this color, soft brown color, and this color in here. Okay, so we're done in here and let's put on some more accessory. I'm going to use this skirt to go it into number 2. Use the same patterns like this, and now you can also put on some accessory. I'm going to grab this scarf, use this patterns and also combine with this one, the same patterns like this. And now I'm going to just put on this accessory on the hat, change the color into soft brown like this. So this is it, the final look for Mori Kei. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on a thanks. Bye.